Peter Lynch is a legendary investor who became famous for his successful management of the Fidelity Magellan Fund in the 1980s and 1990s. During his tenure, the fund achieved an average annual return of 29%, making it one of the best-performing mutual funds in history. Lynch was born in 1944 in Newton, Massachusetts. He received a bachelor's degree in finance from Boston College in 1965 and went on to earn an MBA from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania in 1968. After graduation, Lynch worked as a research analyst at Fidelity Investments before being promoted to portfolio manager of the newly created Magellan Fund in 1977. At the time, the fund was small and had a relatively low profile. However, Lynch quickly turned things around and began generating impressive returns for the fund's investors. One of the key factors behind Lynch's success was his value investing approach, which involves buying undervalued stocks and holding them for the long term. Lynch believed that it was important to do thorough research on a company and its management team before making an investment. He also believed in the concept of buy what you know, which means investing in companies or industries that you are familiar with. One of Lynch's most famous investments was in the retail chain Kmart. In the early 1980s, Kmart was struggling and its stock price was low. However, Lynch saw potential in the company and believed that its problems were fixable. He invested heavily in Kmart and eventually made a fortune when the company's stock price soared. Another successful investment for Lynch was in the technology company Apple. In the mid-1980s, Apple was a small and relatively unknown company, but Lynch saw the potential for growth in the emerging personal computer market. He invested in Apple and the stock price eventually skyrocketed, earning him and his investors a significant return. In addition to his successful investment approach, Lynch was also known for his ability to communicate complex financial concepts in a clear and concise manner. He wrote several best-selling books on investing, including One Up on Wall Street, Beating the Street, and Learn to Earn. These books helped to make investing more accessible and understandable to the general public. Lynch retired from Fidelity in 1990, but his legacy as a successful investor lives on. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest investors of all time and continues to be an influential figure in the world of finance. In addition to his investment career, Lynch has also been active in philanthropy and has supported a variety of causes, including education and medical research. He has served on the boards of several organizations and has received numerous awards and accolades for his contributions to the business world and society at large. Today, Lynch remains a sought-after speaker and advisor, and his insights and wisdom continue to be highly valued by investors and business leaders around the world. His impact on the world of finance and investing is undeniable, and he will always be remembered as one of the most successful and influential investors in history.